Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and today we are going to take a look at Samsung Galaxy A32. Now I previously did a video on A32, but this one is a different color and different specifications. This is the Russian version, and we see here that we have the 64 GB version, and inside of the box we see here that we have the warranty card and the quick start guide. Inside of the box we have the fast charging brick, one SIM ejection tool, and we have a Type-C cable, which is Type A on one side and Type-C on the other. Now I got this phone for a price of around 250 euros. Let's turn it on and take a look. Okay, so now let me just skip the menu real quick. Okay, so we are now on the menu, and as usual, first thing I like to do after unboxing a phone is to go to software update and register the device to always get the latest update available for this phone. And as you can see here, we already have an update. It's the update of April 1, 2021. And as I can see here, it's an update regarding the camera. Now, the cameras on the back of the phone are very nice and don't take much space, but the camera setup here is very nice on this A32, and I believe that this is the main selling point of this phone, the looks of it. And as you guys saw, the phone froze for a little bit. But talking about the camera, let's open the camera app. We have a 64 megapixel camera here. And the video quality goes up to Full HD with 30 frames per second. And here on more we see some other modes. Now also I want to mention that this phone has a 90 Hz display, which is very smooth, and the phone looks faster, and as you can see here, it looks very smooth. Okay, so let me just go ahead and update. I'm just gonna leave it like this, and I want to mention a few things. If you are looking to buy a phone and this is a phone for your kids, this is not the phone for your kids. This phone will not handle games that well, and it will freeze and making your kids believe that you bought them a cheap phone. This is a phone for people that will use it for social networks, to watch some YouTube videos. This phone will be for people that will use it for school, so online learning, because this phone has a big screen and a big battery. But this phone is not for gaming. If you are looking to buy a gaming phone, this is not the case. This is a beautiful phone for people that will do simple stuff. This is not for advanced users. And with that being said, I want to end this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you on the next one.